Good day friends. Welcome to my channel lecture series on power electronics. In this lecture, we'll see the modes of operation of SCR, Silicon Controlled Rectifier. SCR, Silicon Controlled Rectifier is a three-terminal device. It has got three terminals: anode, cathode and gate, and it has got four layers: PN, three junctions J1, J2 and J3. There are three modes of operation for SCR: forward blocking mode, forward conducting mode and reverse blocking mode. Forward blocking mode: when the anode is at a positive potential with respect to the cathode with no voltage applied to the gate, the junctions J1 and J3 are forward biased while the junction J2 is reverse biased. As J2 is reverse biased, no conduction takes place, so thyristor is in the forward blocking state or off state. In this case, no current flows from anode to cathode. Forward conducting mode: when the forward voltage between anode and cathode is increased with respect to the cathode, forward leakage current flows through the device. When the forward voltage reaches the breakdown voltage or breakover voltage VBO of the thyristor, forward leakage current will reach saturation and the reverse biased junction J2 will have avalanche breakdown. The thyristor starts conducting. A current flows from anode to cathode. It goes to the on state and this is known as the forward conducting state. Reverse blocking mode: if cathode is made more positive with respect to the anode, the junctions J1 and J3 will be reverse biased. Junction J2 will be forward biased. A small reverse leakage current will flow through the device and it is known as the reverse blocking state. As cathode is made more and more positive, the stage is reached when both the junctions will break down and this voltage is known as the reverse breakdown voltage in the off state and the device is in the reverse blocking state. Thus, there are three modes of operation of SCR: forward blocking mode, forward conducting mode and reverse blocking mode. In both forward blocking mode and reverse blocking mode, the device does not conduct. Both are in the off state. When in the forward conducting mode, a current flows from anode to cathode. Thus, the operating modes of SCR is explained.